So I had a bad tensioner, and I have a feeling this pulley is good. If you take a look, it doesn't spin like crazy freely. I mean, there's still some grease in those sealed bearings. I had a bad battery, so my alternator was kicking on and off excessively, I'm sure. But here's this one. If you spin that, it just keeps going. There's no grease left in this one. I'm going to replace this pulley because I don't like the fact that it just keeps spinning. Take a look at new ones. By the way, I like to stretch my, well, not stretch my belt out, but straighten my belt out. You take a look at new ones and you spin them inside, you'll notice the grease is resistant to freely spinning them. This kit was like 65 bucks. Came with an extra belt that I don't use for like a second air conditioner or something. But as you can see, I already replaced the tensioner. By the way, use E10. External torques. External torques. Get yourself some of these. It's supposed to be like this. If it doesn't fit on the oil pan bolts, then it's not the right size. To remove these two bolts, which are really hard to get to. Everyone does it from below the car, and I suggest you do it that way too. And they're using T60s, or I just put a, what do you call it, like 12 point or 16 point whatever on this thing. Forgot what size it was, but it's not important right now. You'll figure it out. Just measure it up to the new tensioner that you got and you'll know.